Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will give you the complete detail about the books. So भाई अगर आपने ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम किया होगा और इफ़ यू आर द फ्रेशर देन यू शुड नो दिस थिंग दैट व्हाट इज मुक्स। और आप फ्रेशर नहीं भी है भाई देन आपको यह जानना जरूरी है दैट मुक्स क्या होता है। ओके एंड स्पेशली दिस इज द कोर्स एप्लीकेबल फॉर द बीटेक एंड अदर कोर्सेज, सो यू हैव टू नो complete detail about that. Okay, so guys, before moving to the video, just if you are new viewer to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important video. For kind information, let me share you that I have already uploaded the syllabus, how the marks is calculated in BTech and all things. So these type of informative video will be continuously provided. So let us move to our video without wasting our time. Now the question is, what is MOOCs? Okay, so actually MOOCs is an abbreviated form of massive open online course. Okay, so I am giving the data that what is actually in reality MOOCs. Okay, so this is the massive open online course, and this is the course that is applicable for all university. Okay, you are, if you are doing BTech and another thing, then this is applicable for all things. Okay, so All India Council for Technical Education, that is AICTE, has introduced the model curriculum for the BTech, okay, Bachelor of Technology program with 160 credits. So as you know that I have already uploaded a video that what is credit point, how it is calculated. So according to the credit points, okay, after that a student must require additional things, means you can say additional skill. So for providing the additional skill, MOOCs course applicable for the UG courses, or you can say for the BTech courses. Okay, so why these additional 20 credit have to be acquired with the online courses, means you have to, means 160 credits are essential for getting the BTech degree. But if you want to get the BTech with honors I am saying, means BTech with additional things, then you have to do the MOOCs course, that is massive open online course. Okay, so this is in short what is MOOCs. Okay, and similarly in Macau also they have launched the similar things, because you know every university, either IIT, NIT, all things following the AICTE curriculum. So they introduced the MOOCs course, that is the massive open online course. So भाई बात करते हैं about the next thing, that what is means credit points, or what are the guidelines for the MOOCs. How MOOCs is the basically the necessary guidelines you have to follow. So MOOCs or massive open online course has been inducted university curriculum and academic activity in the following ways, means in the following ways you can get the MOOCs point. Okay, so first is that MOOCs for the honors degree. I've already said that if you want to take BTech with honors, means if you want simply BTech, then you have to do simply a BTech course that you are doing. But if you want BTech with honors, then भाई आपको MOOCs कोर्स कंपलसरी है. एंड अगेन सेइंग दैट इट इज नॉट कंपलसरी इन कंटेक्स्ट टू बीटेक. अगर बीटेक आप कर रहे हैं तो ऐसा नहीं कि आप MOOCs नहीं करेंगे तो आपको डिग्री नहीं मिलेगा. It is not in that way, but if you want the BTech with honors, then compulsory. That's all things are. Then MOOCs for mandatory course work for research and PhD. For PhD degree, it is basically the mandatory, and for the MOOCs are also used for credit transfer as equipment to theory courses of curriculum under recommendation of BOS. Means it also help for the credit transfer for other courses. ये BTech के लिए नहीं है, ये other courses के लिए. Okay. And for the MOOCs for mandatory additional point is that MAR. This is the current scenario that basically deducted, means अब भाई मार्क्स के थ्रू, मीन्स सेम कोर्स नहीं होना चाहिए जो आप मार्क्स के थ्रू कर रहे हैं, MOOCs कर रहे हैं. ओके, अब आपको बोल रहे हैं भैया व्हाट इज एक्चुअली मार्क, सो आई विल आल्सो मेक पर्टिकुलर वीडियो दैट मार्क्स क्या होता है, हाउ इट इज कैलकुलेटेड, एंड दैट इज मैंडेटरी. आई विल मेक पर्टिकुलर वीडियो. बट अभी बस बात करते हैं अबाउट द MOOCs. ओके, सो आपके लिए बस पॉइंट नंबर 1 इंपॉर्टेंट है, द MOOCs फॉर ऑनर्स डिग्री एट यूजी लेवल, एंड फॉर दिस आर फॉर द रिसर्च डिग्री एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो गाइडलाइंस फॉर MOOC इज फॉर द अंडर ग्रेजुएट लेवल. ओके, now friends, MOOCs for BTech honors degree, that is important thing, that was the first point. So you have to attain total 20 credit that is required to attain the BTech with honors degree. Okay, and currently it actually reduced to 16 degree, means 16 credit point. Okay, so for the first year you have to get minimum 4 and maximum 8 credit point. For second year minimum 4, maximum 8 credit point. For third year minimum 4, maximum 8 credit, and fourth year minimum 4 credit. Means you have to gain total 20 credit point, or you can say 16 credit point in all the 4 years, means overall 4 year. So भाई आप लोग कह रहे हो भाई 20 credit point तो बहुत easy है, but that not easy. In coming second, just I will tell you that how credit point is basically calculated. Okay, and these are the some courses that is mandatory for the first year. First year का student अगर आप भाई है तो ये सब course mandatory है. First is the computer programming with Python or soft skill ethics. In the coming video too, I will provide the what are the important courses and what are the platform to get the MOOCs course, that is the Coursera and other edX and all things. I will provide that too. Okay, so these are all the things, or you can say how credit distribution is for the all year, means for the first year what is the credit distribution, for second, third and fourth. Okay, then student of all stream are to be occupied with programming skill in the language that is in high demand worldwide. Means currently you know that guys, language, or you can say simply computer programming is high. So either you are belonging to any branch, EC, mechanical, electrical, you have the basic knowledge of the computer, or you can say computer skill. You have must these type of skills. Okay, and that is the purpose of launching the MOOCs courses. So guys, move करते हैं about the how it is calculated. Very important. So if you are doing the courses, means you can do the course from the NPTEL, Coursera, Swayam platform. So how the credit point is basically calculated? So first is the courses of 4 week to 7 weeks. Means आप जब कोई कोर्स करेंगे भाई edX से, Udemy से, Coursera से, then there it is clearly written that this is the course of 7 weeks. This is a courses of 4 week, 2 week, 3 week, 1 week. So according to that you will be awarded credit points. So if the course tenure is 4 week to 7 week, then 1 credit point. Course 8 week to 11 week, 2 credit point, and course 12 to 15 weeks, then 3 credit points. And lastly guys, if you the course 16 or more weeks, then you will be awarded 4 credit points. So in this way credit point is basically awarded or given to your course. Okay, so these are the way that credit points is basically given. And second is for the MOOCs for B Pharm degree. So if you are doing the B Pharmacy, then for the B Pharm degree, honors degree, 8 credit will have to be obtained. Means अगर आप B Pharma कर रहे हैं भाई, then 8 credit, but for the BTech 16. Okay, and in all over above level basically 20 credit points चाहिए होता है भाई, but MAKAUT में 16 ही है. Okay, so this is all about the how credit points is calculated. And remember guys, these are the platform, Coursera, Udemy, NPTEL. So these are the important platform, but I will suggest Coursera because भाई मैं बताऊंगा किस तरह से आप फ्री में ये कोर्सेज ले सकते हैं. क्योंकि आप NPTEL वगैरह में करेंगे then you have to pay, means there are certain fee for doing particular course. बस Coursera में एक फाइनेंशियल ऐड करके आता है. I will make particular video किस तरह से आप फ्री में ले सकते हैं. Okay, so these are the way guys. Okay, then MOOCs for UG architecture degree. So if you are doing the architecture course, then you have to attend just 8 credit points. Okay, and that is for the BArch curriculum during entire period of 5 years for MOOCs platform. Okay, then means for BArch honors degree 8 credit points have to be obtained by the section in addition to BArch curriculum degree entire period of 4-year form. Okay, means 5 year का जो आपका रहता है 8 credit points आपको mandatory है. Then MOOCs for the non AICT UG program, or you can say non CBSE curriculum. So if you are the non CBSE platform, then for non AICT program a student will have to earn 16 credit from MOOCs in addition to 120 credit from UG degree. Means 120 UG degree के लिए compulsory है भाई, और 16 जो है कि MOOCs के थ्रू आपको करना है. ओके, एंड फर्स्ट ईयर आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड दैट दिस इज द क्रेडिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉर टोटल 16 क्रेडिट दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू अटेन एलिजिबिलिटी फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर 4 to 8 डिग्री, सेकेंड ईयर 4 to 8 एंड थर्ड ईयर 4 डिग्री. मीन्स फॉर 3 ईयर कोर्सेज, अगर आप 3 ईयर कोर्सेज कर रहे हैं भाई, देन आपको 16 क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स ही चाहिए. मीन्स बहुत सारे लेटरल एंट्री वगैरह इंटर करते हैं, देन फॉर दैट यू हैव टू जस्ट गेन द 16 क्रेडिट पॉइंट. मीन्स फर्स्ट ईयर 4 to 8, second year 4 to 8 and third year 4 credit. Okay, so this is not literally means for the 3 year courses you have to gain just 16 point. Okay, this is not for lateral. Then बात करते हैं that as mentioned is R Python, programming Python, MOOCs and soft skill. These are the important things that is compulsory guys. आपको ये सब करना ही है. ethics पे कम से कम एक कोर्स, soft skill पे कम से कम एक कोर्स. Okay, so these are the all things about the MOOCs for UG degree and for the other optional. Okay, then how the MOOCs courses is evaluated. So evaluation of MOOCs courses would be done by the organization by whom it is being offered. Means it is basically evaluated by the college that whether you are doing this is valid or not, and after that they have to upload all the document guys. Okay, and this is the uploading of MOOCs data. Means whenever you will do a particular course, then you will be provided a certificate. आपको एक भाई एक certificate provide होगा, and you have, and that certificate you have to upload to the college website, and college will upload to the official you can say university website. So भाई आपको जो सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा उसको संभाल के रखना है, और that must be mean the course that are doing that must be that particular tenure. यानी आप भाई फर्स्ट ईयर में अगर कोई कोर्स करें तो उस पर डेट लिखा रहता है कि आपने इस दिन को कोर्स कंप्लीट किया है. सो दैट मस्ट बी विद इन दैट पर्टिकुलर ईयर. ऐसा नहीं कि आप सेकेंड ईयर में आप मिस जो कोर्स आप फर्स्ट ईयर में किए हैं दैट यू कांट अपलोड इन द सेकेंड ईयर. सो बी केयरफुल गाइस. ओके, and MOOCs for mandatory access requirement, that is MAR. I have already said that MOOCs in MAR is provided for the encouraging every student in enter the digital content from the educational from well-known university organization. Okay, so this is all about the detailed important things. Okay, so guys, this is all the MOOCs data. I hope your all doubt regarding this is clear. और मैं भाई आपको फिर से बोल रहा हूँ that MOOCs is not compulsory if you don't want to take the BTech with honors degree, but this is not compulsory. बट फ्रेंड्स आई विल सजेस्ट यू दैट यू मस्ट डू द मुक्स। भाई कोई अगर आपको एडिशनल डिग्री फ्री में मिल रहा है, मैं फ्री में क्यों कर रहा हूँ भाई, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी सेड आई विल प्रोवाइड अ वीडियो दैट किस तरह से आप फ्री में इस मुक्स कोर्सेज को कर सकते हैं थ्रू कोर्सेरा। ओके, सो अगर आपको फ्री में ये सब मिल रहा है भाई, देन यू शुड अवेल द अपॉर्चुनिटी ना। आप जब कॉलेज में घुसेंगे भाई, देन मेनी ऑफ योर सीनियर विल से अरे यार नो दैट इज नॉट मच मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इफ यू आर गेटिंग समथिंग फ्री एंड दैट इज गुड। ओके, क्योंकि भाई अगर आपको सपोज प्लेसमेंट के टाइम में हुआ, सो सपोज देर आर 3 स्टूडेंट्स एंड तीनों स्टूडेंट्स का भाई ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, बट यू हैव अ एडिशनल डिग्री सच एज अ मुक्स मीन्स बीटेक विद ऑनर्स, देन सर्टेनली गाइस यू विल बी शॉर्ट लिस्टेड नॉट देम, अगर तीनों का सेम रहा है। ओके, बट अगर मीन्स किसी का कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म ज़्यादा अच्छा है जब आप मुक्स मैटर नहीं करता, बट इफ द सेम देन समहाउ भाई आपका इंप्रेशन ज़्यादा अच्छा निकल के आता है इन कैंपस प्लेसमेंट टू। ओके, सो गाइज आई विल सजेस्ट दैट यू मस्ट डू द मुक्स कोर्सेज। So I hope friends your all doubt regarding this is MOOCs clear. If you still have doubt regarding anything, then you can comment here. I will certainly reply you, and I feel free to help you. Okay, and you can also join my Telegram channel for such important information and additional things. Okay, and if you are the fresher and want the note for the first year, then you can also join my Telegram channel too. And all the link will be provided in the description box. And you can also ask any question on the Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever the platform you are comfortable with. Okay. So guys, this is a complete detail about the MOOCs. I hope informative to you. Like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure share with your friends so they can also get help from video. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.